The birds, Mally, look.
Wow.
It's great. There's loads of them. You just saw loads. Obviously getting the tail end now, they're leaving.
Wow.
You can see them in the distance. That was great. Back at the church. You know. Bring Mally this time. Look at the pushchair. It's the first time putting it in so long, and he actually looks such a big boy. Shouldn't even be in that. The only reason he's doing it is because of chips.
What?
High five. Good. Beautiful sunset, eh? Feels good, you know, like a few days of rain. The birds are emigrating south. All of them. Look at that for a sunset. Absolute diesel. Look at there. Chips are good, Mally?
No.
But it's actually colder than you think. That's the thing. It still gets cold at night, you know? Beauty. There's more of them, look. Everywhere. Thousands of them heading south. That's brilliant. Granny comes in Monday. Looking forward to this. Alright. You gonna say goodbye, Mally?
Bye.
Yeah, good boy.